Morning. Morning, Benny, morning. Election day. Oh. Alright, let's start with pound yen. Daily's currently bullish. Respect to the previous low. Looks like it's on its way to breaking yesterday's high. Let's just mark up when it does that. Previous high. Got a nice support on the daily. Kind of looks like that continuation pattern I like. If we break yesterday's high, we should come up and at least fill the wick from last week and head up towards resistance. Let's see where yesterday's high was. 177.77. Cool. Let's look at some high time frame support and resistance levels. So we have a 4-hour support at 196. Let's call that 75. Let's see if we get a pullback to this support. See what price does to it. And then we have a resistance, which is quite a strong resistance from yesterday and Friday. 198.15. That area. Let's drop down to the 30-minute. I mean, this 4-hour structure is still quite bullish. Apart from here. Yeah, I want to see what happens at this resistance. To be honest, I don't know. I kind of have a feeling that most pairs are going to range today because of this election. Let's look at 30-minute. These are the immediate support and resistance levels. This isn't a support yet until this candle closes, but we do have an engulfing happening right here. Let's mark up here as a support. I like this lot of wick rejections. And I'm going to do this support at the lows. We have a resistance, which comes all the way across. I've got quite a good resistance right here. And this resistance at the highs. So I'm just marking off the immediate support and resistance levels where I'll be actually looking for trades if they're broken or retested. So we've got this support, 197. Still gonna have the same target. It's more of a weekly target. So anticipating a push up to break past this daily resistance up to this daily resistance up here. That's still the buy target for the week. And resistance, we have resistance right here. See if you can get a closure above this resistance finally. 197, call that 65. Same as yesterday. And we have one higher up, 198.25. So if we break above this resistance, we're looking for price to reach the next one at the highs, 60 pips. If it goes past this one, then we'll start looking at some more levels above, but it's quite a way. So that's pounds yen for today. I'll just put this in my journal. Pound yen. Keep an eye on pound yen. See if you get that breakout. Maybe at 7:30. All right, gold. For gold yesterday, didn't make much of a bullish candle. We pulled back. Last night during Asian session, gold dropped down, pushed back up. So we made a bottom wick for yesterday's candle. Still in this kind of rejection area right here. All these bottom wicks. It's like a rejection area. But gold fundamentally is still quite bullish. Would like a retest of like a daily support, so down here. Let's take a look. Four hour. It's forming a support. Hasn't formed until the candle closes. But we do have a 4 hour support along here anyway. Alright. 2732, same area. Yep, we'll leave that. Got a lower resistance, 2747. And we'll probably keep this one still. Gold pretty much still the same. Got a 7 o'clock candle just opening now. Got a nice resistance on gold. As you can tell, my lower time frames are green, higher time frames are yellow. Let's see if gold holds at this resistance right here. 2738. And this resistance up here, 2747. Target is still 2712. That's a daily support. I'm going to take this 4 hour off. Time frame support still the same. $2.8. And those are my gold levels for today. Not sure how volatile or how much volume is going to be in the market with these elections. So I'm kind of anticipating quite a bit of ranging. Alright, Goldie. One thing I do need to mark is where the daily candle opened. The daily is currently bullish. 3747. And got the daily on pounds yen as well. Open. Oh wait, oh perfect. So GJ's looking bullish. Oh yeah, definitely. GJ's looking very bullish. I really like GJ. Yeah, especially closing week bearish yesterday. Yeah, I think GJ is going to be bullish. Just going to wait for a closure above this resistance. But hopefully it doesn't hold like it did yesterday. It's quite a strong resistance, it's got a break. So we'll see what happens in the next, on this 30-minute candle. If you get a breakout, we'll be in some buys. Nice and early. Gold breaking out. You're in gold. Gold buys, nice. It's a good push up. It's a nice push up on gold. Let's see if it can continue. Yeah, I would need a closure above just because these rejection wicks to the left. And obviously this candle's respected the resistance too. But daily has just flipped bullish. Stop loss would have been what? Presume. Depends where you got in, right? You got in when this high was broken. It's a decent stop loss as well. 16 pips. Not bad at all. On the intact resistance. For gold, for me to get in, I'd need a retest of this resistance, either a wick or support, then I'm in. There, gold is looking very bullish. Nice clean range for gold to drive through. Pound yen holding at this resistance, man. We do have this support here as well. Pound yen does really look good for buyers. If this resistance wasn't here, I would have probably been in on this candle. We've got the support formed. Is it engulfed? No, but it's quite a strong bullish candle. Does it have a bottom wick? 630 candle doesn't have a bottom wick. It would be nice if it made one. Also, looks like no, there's a tiny bottom wick on that one. Yeah, so now I've got to wait for the bottom wick to be made for this candle anyway. See what gold is doing. I mean, the buys do look good. It has cleared all these wicks to the left. Even at entry there, 22 pips, 23 pips. Not bad. We're looking for buyers on the next M15, okay. I mean, it's a breakout, it's closure above. The M15 is not my time frame, but it does look good. It definitely looks good. Looks better than pound yen right now. Alright, let's check gold. Let's see your M15 buys, Rosie. Very nice closure above though. Hopefully get a bottom wick, break the high, keep pushing up. Golden. Do you have a bottom wick yet? No bottom wick yet. No, I'm not taking the buys, not yet. I've got to wait for that 30-minute closure. I need that 30-minute closure above. But it looks very good. Don't like that it's breaking the high already. And keep an eye on the price, but yeah, it needs this bottom wick first. Because what will happen, you could get in, could push up some more, break the high, push up, but eventually it'll come down and create this bottom wick, and then the trade will be in drawdown. So so I'll wait for them bottom wicks. Onions chilling. Wow, gold don't want to do nothing, huh? Still waiting to enter. I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised. It's like a slow push up. I'm gonna need to start looking for things to do in the morning whilst I'm waiting for these candles to close. Sometimes there's no point just staring at these candles for half an hour. When I was working full time, that's what I used to do, just check the charts every half an hour, see if my moves were setting up or not. It is a waiting game, 100%. And the thing is, a lot can happen very quickly. Like, when was it? Was it yesterday? This candle here, gold. Gold did a crazy push yesterday. When was it? It's in the afternoon. This candle right here. Look at that. 5 minutes. One 5-minute candle, 60 pips. Boom, straight up. A lot can happen. Oh, that looks like the pullback it needed. No, not yet. Not quite yet, the bottom wick. Okay, gold making that bottom wick, the M15. Hopefully we still get a closure above on the 30-minute and not a rejection wick. You're anticipating when the London session opens at 8, that's when we're going to get a move up. Yeah, I hope so. Definitely waiting for some volume at this point. That is all we're waiting for, that volume. Yeah, I think gold might be the move, the first move. I think so. These are the Asian highs here. We broke above, retested it. It's also at the daily flip, pushed up, closing above this resistance. And we've got a nice range. So if you can get a bottom wick on that 30-minute, then yeah, definitely I'm gonna take some gold buys. Daily's bullish, 4 hours bullish. think it's been a while since I've taken a gold trade on stream. Alright, less than 2 minutes till this candle closes. Less than 2 minutes. Just slow some. Alright, let's get set up for these gold buys. But typically I mean with a strong breakout like this, I would like a retest of this resistance, but if it doesn't, that's fine. Gonna have a buy stop at the break of this high. Stop loss, I'm actually gonna put the stop just below this resistance. Probably close partials here, about 20 pips away. And TP would be up here, 50 pips. I like this bottom wick that it's creating. If it flips bullish, then I'm in some buys. How did 15 close? 15 close, weak, bullish. Did it break the low? I don't really like that. Ooh, broke that 15-minute low. Ooh. Like I said, I would like a retest of this resistance because it's quite a strong breakout from the resistance anyway. Pound yen, gonna give us that closure above. Let's see. Now, if gold had created like a bit of a top wick first that didn't break this high and started pushing down, if it closed or pushed back down into the range, I would think this was a fake out. Well, you have the tiniest of top wicks, to be fair. Let's see if this resistance holds anyway. I mean, gold did look promising. Hopefully it's not a fake out. But, I mean, Look at this, not very clean price action anyway, is it? Not very clean at all. Oh, was it a fake out? See, I wanted the resistance to hold. Now I'm deleting this buy stop, and my stop loss is going to be too big. But it wasn't a good sign anyway. Once that 15-minute broke the previous low, it's actually a reversal candlestick pattern right here. Let's see what price does at the daily flip. Gold just opened up and came straight down. Pound yen, pulling back from this resistance. Oof, look at this 1 hour. It's 1 hour on gold looking at. Oof. Yeah, not looking great, is it? So this rejection area is quite strong. Wow, look at that pullback. Was hoping this would have been a nice breakout to continue up, but gold said no. think we're waiting for this 8 o'clock volume, like Caswell said. Oh, you hit stop loss. I'm not surprised with this pullback. Flipping out was massive. Because you would have got in on the 15, like what, probably breaker this high here. How did you hit stop loss? Oh, break even. You didn't get an entry. Hold on, I'll be right back. Oh, right. Still nothing going on. Still no push back up. Still hasn't flipped the daily. Pound yen still bearish on the 30-minute. Kind of expect gold to range. If this 30-minute breaks this previous low, I might be looking for sells back down to the bottom of this range. Because we have an engulfing break below, closure back below resistance. Daily's bearish. Yeah, I'll be looking for some sells down. Let's see if we get that engulfing. One I was flipping bearish. Yeah, 1 hour flipping bearish. Daily's bearish. We're getting that engulfing. Even though we still have less than 18 minutes till this candle closes. What are we thinking? What are we thinking, chat? We're gonna get an engulfing. We're gonna sell back down to the support. Is gold gonna push back up? Hold this resistance. Buy or sell? Benny says bearish if we close below. Agreed. Agreed. Rosie said I want sales now. Caswell says I think gold is still going to push up. Okay, okay. I'm still kind of bullish on gold, to be fair, but it does depend on how this candle closes. I do not like this engulfing or what's happening right here. This is a nice push down. I was kind of anticipating gold stopped at this resistance and then flipped bullish and pushed up, but that's not what we got. We're getting a push back down into this range, and gold has been ranging London session recently. So we actually closed at Asian highs, but we're breaking back below Asian highs. So yeah, I think we might sell back down, you know, to support. It was a fake out, but we'll know for sure in the next 15 minutes. Let's see what's pound yen doing. Pound yen looks like we're gonna get an engulfing as well. Pound yen didn't break this previous high yet. It's holding at this resistance. Ooh. Pound yen might be playing this range right here, 30 pip range, 26. See gold still dropping. GBPJPY. Okay, new 15-minute candle. Let's see now if this 15-minute makes a top wick, flips bearish, re-breaks the low, and continues down. It would be nice if it was just creating a support to push back up. Let's see how far it pushes up. It'd be nice to catch a little move on stream. It's been a minute for gold. Okay, so it's made this top wick. We tested the Asian highs. Yeah, it's just, you know me, 15-minute time frame is not my entry. If you get a closure below on the 30-minute, I'll be looking for some sells. Down to support, or even Asian lows. Oh, pound yen looks like it's pushing. Good. All right, 10 minutes. Now gold is slowing down. If this daily flips back bullish, I'm just gonna wait for gold. Look at this 1 hour time frame of pound yen. So many wicks. So many wicks. It's like it's bullish. You have a few strong bullish candles and the rest are just weak. This 1 hour is looking very bearish. Yeah, I think gold will sell, you know. I mean, just look at the 1 hour structure. It is on a downtrend. It's like still in its pullback phase. Got a nice strong support here. That was broken, then we came back up in this above the support. Like this whole area is a support area on 1 hour. It was kind of like a fake out when this dropped, but we're getting lower highs and clearly a lower low, so gold is very tricky right now. One thing I don't like about these sells now on gold is that we're selling right into this support, just like 30 pips away. So it depends on how big this top wick would be on the next candle. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna leave gold for this morning. I don't want to play around with this price action with the US elections today as well. It's just rangy. DJ, come on, give me the break above. Give me that closure. He's going to be taking sells on gold. Yeah, I can imagine you would be. I mean, this 15-minute entry wouldn't even have been bad. So break of this low, even the candle flip, you would have secured, yeah, 13 pips, would have been 13 pips up, which is nice. Right, about 1 minute now. Okay, look at gold, alright. Alright, see how these candles close in the next 10 seconds. Gold closed back below. Now, I'm not taking any sells right here. Pound yen. Still respecting this resistance. GJ is tripping. GJ is bugging. It's like a barcode. Up, down, up, down, up, down. It's trash right now. Trash. This resistance is too strong. It's too strong. But all it will take is one candle just to pop out of nowhere. Yep. Seems so. The thing is, even if this 30-minute candle broke out on pound yen, like we still have all of these rejection wicks to the left. So the breakout won't even be clean. I'd have to wait for a nice closure. And gold is selling. Hope you sellers get your sells. I'm gonna wait it out on gold, I think. Pound yen just keeps tapping this. Just tapping the resistance. Okay, gold broke the 30-minute low. Pound yen, it broke the previous 30-minute high. Are we finally going to get that push? Thinking of an impulse entry on GJ. I mean, impulse entry would be nice. Like I said, the only thing for me that I don't like are these rejection wicks to the left. And impulse entries never go well for me, so I don't take them. But, you know, do your thing. It seems like if it's going to pop above, if it does break, it's going to really push. But, yeah, I'm going to wait it out. Okay, hope you got that impulse entry. GJ, come on, we broke above. Keep going. This whole area though. Oh, wouldn't that work? Gold is dropping. Did you guys get your gold sells? Lovely, lovely. Okay, pound yen. Caswell, did you catch this impulse entry? Yeah, I'm waiting for the candle to close too. Alright, pound yen. It's coming back down. Gold still dropping. Let's see what it does at this support right here. Alright, let's see what gold does at this support. Is it gonna bounce off? It's quite a strong support area. Pound yen. I keep seeing the price push above, but this candle is not trying to close. Yeah, gold is nasty right now. Well, you know, gold isn't bad. It done kind of what I expected it to do if it closed below this resistance again. It closed back in the range and now it's sort of like filling the range. But yeah, it's just the fact that it's ranging, man. Let's see what the daily's looking like. But yeah, daily's looking very bearish now. Possibly re-break yesterday's low and then push down to this support, which is the daily target area down here. Right, 15-minute candle's about to close. Minute on pounds yen. All right, finally getting a closure above on the 15-minute. Okay, support looks like it's holding on gold. 15-minute, if it creates a bottom wick, flips, then we could push up on pound yen. First 15-minute candle closure above this resistance. There we go, pound yen, nice. Broke the high. Don't go too far without me. But we finally got this closure above. Just gonna wait for the 30-minute. And then hopefully I'll catch some of these buys. Once we break this previous high, yesterday's high, I think we'll have a nice push up. I think we'll get a nice push up. But we've had to be very patient today. What's gold doing? Nothing really. Yeah, let me keep an eye on pound yen because this is where the play might happen. Right, less than 10 minutes so this candle closes. I had to be very, very patient. Very, very patient today. But potential moves. Could have had these gold sells, but I didn't really like it that much. 30 pips. We took those sells down. Right into this support, which gold is now bouncing off of. Said GJ might fly without us. Nah, GJ's not going anywhere. Have faith, have faith. Have faith. We still have 8 minutes. Once it broke up here, the fact that it didn't really start pushing immediately, yeah, I think we've got time. I think we have time. We have time. And we still have these rejection wicks to the left that's holding it anyway. But yeah, as long as we get a candle close above 19765, we're looking good. We're looking good. I have faith in pound yen as long as we get that candle closure. That's it. Gold pushing up. Wow. Pound yen. Alright, 5 minutes. Five minutes to go. All right, all right. Man, these pound yen wicks. I can't believe we're down here in this range. I mean, I can believe it actually. Looks like no pound yen buys just yet. We get the first. Well, we still have a while for the 1 hour candle to close. This is why I don't like impulse entries. Probably would have hit TP by now. I have to wait for them candles to close. That's my confirmation. Anything can happen in 2 minutes. It's only 7 pips away. Anything can happen. It's a very strong resistance, casual. It's a very strong resistance. Very strong. With all these rejection wicks to the left. This is something I was looking out for. Alright, 1 minute to go. Oh, we got the closure, but it's still below resistance. Weak bearish candle. Oh man. Nothing yet on pound yen. Nothing yet. Gotta wait another half an hour. See, look, we couldn't even have used the 15. That's why I don't like the 15. We closed above. The next candle broke the high, but what? Closed back in the range. Gold looks like it wants to push up. Gold definitely looks like it wants to push up. But we're still in this range as well. So much for market open volume. Pound yen staying in the range. like gold buys again. And after this rejection wick and this bounce of this support, the gold buys definitely look good. I know it's an insane tape, but I've seen it happen a lot. If it breaks the 15-minute bearish high, there's a strong possibility for buys. You mean on pound yen, Caswell? Yeah, because this kind of looks like that. It's a little bit like the continuation pattern. Only thing is, the candle before it was kind of weak. If it was a stronger bearish candle, a stronger bullish candle, I'll definitely like the buys. But I mean, regardless, if price breaks this high, then yeah, it definitely is more bullish anyway, because it's still a break of the high. If you're talking about, well, it wouldn't be gold, that wasn't bearish. You said 15-minute, yeah. Oh, pound yen still pushing. Cool. How big would the stop loss be? I just don't like the 15-minute though. If it broke the 30-minute, nah, I still need the closure above. Need that closure above. Stop loss wouldn't be too big though. If it breaks the high, 17 pips, 17, 18 pips. I just need a confirmation that these rejection wicks are not valid anymore. That's why I need that closure. Yeah, I'm happy to wait for it. I think I'm gonna have to wait for it, honestly. Yeah, I'm gonna have to wait for it. Pounds yen. I mean, we've broken a 1 hour high, broke the previous 1 hour high. Just needs to follow through with that push. But look how many bullish 1 hour candles we've had. This is super weak. This might as well have been bearish. It is very bullish. Just needs to follow through. See what the 4 hours looking like. Yeah, pound yen definitely look like it wants to buy. Definitely looks like it wants to buy. Right, gold. See if gold breaks back above resistance. Okay, everything's pushing. Okay, goes back above this resistance. Finally, pound yen. This has to be the candle that closes above. Even though we've got 20 minutes left till it finishes, I think this is the candle that's going to pop. Yeah, gold is going to be the one. Let's move this to the most recent resistance. Get a closure above here on gold, and we've got 60 pips up to this resistance at the highs, the last structure point. So like this is the last lower high, so I'll be looking for buyers up until here at least. It's like the first target, and then up here will be the next one. Low time frame. And pound yen still hasn't really popped yet, has it? Oh man. And gold pulling back too. Where is... What? Pound yen back down here? Oh, pound yen is ridiculous. Look at that. Right back into the range for pound yen. Let's see. 15-minute closed week bullish. Yeah, I think we might get the closure above on gold before we get this closure above on pound yen at this rate. Okay, gold retested this resistance. Pound yen's flipped bearish on 15 and 30 minute. Waiting for closures, waiting for closures. Yeah, pound yen is a myth. I'll wait for this closure on gold. If it can get to 2741, then again I'm looking for these buys up because the daily is bullish, 4 hours bullish. Pounding just makes me laugh, I swear. But you know, ranging today is expected, guys. Ranging today is definitely expected. Sometimes there's no trades. That's just how it is. looks like an L. Gold looks like the 1. Let's get this closure above. Gold breaking above. Oh, these gold buys would have been nice from this support right here, which knew was a strong support. If this candle was bullish, if this was like the support formed candle right here, then a break of this high, I would have been in. But because this was bearish, it wasn't a support. Do you know what I mean? Now this candle's pushing too far up into this range. If I was aiming for at least this resistance, I need a closure like right above here to catch at least 50 pips. If I can get a 1-to-1, it wouldn't be too bad. Yeah, 1-to-1 trade wouldn't be too bad, but I don't know if I'll get that. The way it's pushing up. You see how the candle closes in a bit. Less than 3 minutes. What's tomorrow? Is there news tomorrow morning? No news. Thursday. Thursday we have pound interest rates and US interest rates. Ooh. Yeah, gold's pushed too much. Look at this. Pandian let us down today with this price action. It's let us down today. This resistance is too strong. Too much wicks. Alright, let's keep an eye on gold. See if we can get these gold buys. End the session nicely. I'm glad we're getting a bit of a pullback and a top wick. Right, again, looking for a retest or the next candle, the 9 o'clock candle, to make a bottom wick, potentially retest this resistance, or at least make a nice bottom wick, flip bullish, break the 8:30 candles high, and we push up to resistance and close off this zone. So let's get ready. Let's get this bottom wick, and then break of the high will be in. This is where the buy stop would be. I haven't put it in yet, so I'm waiting for the bottom candle, bottom wick first. So no buy stop there yet, guys, but that's where it will be. Let's get that bottom wick. And then let's snatch some pips. Not from pound yen. I'm not in anything yet. Still waiting for this bottom wick. Wick that doesn't want to come. There we go. Push down a little bit. I don't think that bottom wick came. Gold's gonna make us wait for it. Dare I look at pound yen in this BS? There's no point, there's no trades on pound yen just yet. Alright, 5 minutes in and we still don't have a bottom wick for this candle. It's not a very good sign. Oh, there we go. Saw a bit of red. We do have a bottom wick, although it's very, very small. But my buy stop is in place. If I'm in, stop loss be about 25 pips, just below that resistance. And then when this 9 o'clock candle closes, I move my stop loss to the bottom wick. Not tapped in yet. Guess I'll just have my trade set up on my phone and I'll just have my finger over the button, just waiting to put that buy stop in. That's good, we got a nice bottom wick. All right, we break this high, will be in. All right, we're in. Just tapped in. Got the alert from my broker. Stop loss is about 25 pips. TP 35. See if you can get that push. That tapped us in and pulled right back. No, if it breaks its own low, I'm actually going to close 50% at 42. And then probably add it back when it pushes up. Oh, I missed it. I don't like that it broke the high and then just dropped. Let me set that up quickly. Yeah, do you know, I'm closing 50%. Don't normally like taking trades after 9 o'clock. When the volume kind of starts dying down. But I think we should still get this push. It's 9 o'clock candle creating a longer bottom wick. Got another buy stop waiting to add my position back. And that stop loss would be under the current candle low. In again. Right, go give us that push. Come on. go. Nearly at 10 pips. Go on, drive up. We do have these rejection wick to the left. Alright, we're above 10 pips. So the trade is actually at break even. Got the money back if you closed with me. If not, then you're good. Beautiful, beautiful. I'm gonna lock some in once we get to the top of these wicks. In fact, I'm gonna close half here. And I'm just gonna let the rest run. Move my stop loss to break even. Risk-free trade. And let the rest run to TP. Waited 2 hours for this move. Very nice. No, I'm gonna look at pound yen. I'm not even gonna look. Right, new 15-minute candle just opened. Who took these these gold buys with me? Nice rose, nice rose, nice. Nice Benny, nice. Good job, good job. Good job, good job. Still pushing. It wasn't in the buys. I know gold is not really your thing. I know gold isn't your thing. But GJ is just GJ is GJing right now. Like, what is this? What are these wicks? Like, come on. How much times are we gonna tap this resistance? Crazy. Like, I only started trading GJ again this past, I want to say 2 months. And I was trading it because sometimes gold was like not doing anything, because I can trade both sessions. If gold was quiet in London, at least I'd have pound yen, and you know, vice versa. Pound yen could be quiet in London, at least I'd have gold. But yeah, that was a nice gold trade. What's it up now? Got to 17 pips. Close some. Stop loss at break even now. Do you know what? When it gets back to 10 pips, I think I'm gonna close full. Just lock this in. Got these minor resistances to the left. Alright, I'm out of this trade now, guys. Oh, jumped up, lovely. So I won't be streaming tomorrow morning because I'm having an operation later. So yeah, I'll be in overnight, but I should be back on Thursday, God's willing. Thursday and Friday. There's no news tomorrow anyway, so quiet sessions. So yeah, I will see you guys on Thursday. Hit me up on the Discord if anything. But W session again. I like these wins. Big or small. And yeah, I'll see you on Thursday. See you later.